Ahava Blessings, happy Pleiadean alignment portal, and happy 11/22. So let's get into a little bit of the numerology, and then we're going to go into a sound activation. For those that do not know me, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea. I am an ordained Magdalene priestess, Reiki master, energy and sound healer. And I am going to talk about the numerology of today. And we are in the Pleiadean star portal. There are 2 times of the year when the Pleiades are in alignment with the Earth and the sun. One is in May and the other is now in November. So we are at the tail end of this activation. Let's talk a little bit about the 11 and the 22. Both are master numbers. The 22 is associated with receptivity, with the divine feminine, with Mary Magdalene, with union. And the 11 is also a master number associated with vibration, frequency, your cosmic etheric body. And the 11 teaches us that everything is vibration. We are actively creating our frequency, our experience, our physical, tangible experience through vibration, through the imprints of our thoughts, our words, and our actions. All of these impact the matrix, the energetic field that we are constantly in communication with. So it's very important to be mindful of the word, mindful of the emotions and the frequencies we are aligning to on this day, but also every day. And the Pleiades is a very, very high vibrational star cluster. It is a star cluster that is associated with the divine feminine, with receptivity, with healing, with abundance, with fertility, with growth, with expansion, with spiritual awakening. But more so, it is a star portal, and it is a cluster of high vibrational stars, high vibrational light beings that have interacted and have had to do with our human evolution over the last thousands of years. So the Pleiades are beautiful energy of the divine feminine. However, it's more than just the divine feminine. They are an energy that teaches us the wisdom in the integration of polarity, of duality, because they don't exist in a world where they experience duality, they experience polarities. They don't exist in those realms. They exist at a higher frequency. And they have gotten to that place by learning how to merge, how to integrate, how to unite the seemingly opposing polarities, how to unify and harmonize them. So because they are also associated with the heart chakra, we're going to do a beautiful sound activation to call in the Tarenam, the Hathor, one of the 7 Pleiadian sisters, who is associated with the heart, because it is in the heart that we unify all duality and all polarity, and we can truly experience and awaken a higher perspective, a higher consciousness, a higher way of expressing and being in this world, a way of expressing that is in alignment with your mission, with your soul essence, with the embodiment of your soul. And your soul is a spark of the divine. So in essence, we are embodying the divine frequencies here on earth in our physical form. So you can have your right hand over your heart, your left over your womb space. All we need to do is be open to receive. And during this sound activation, I want you to envision first golden light, the golden light of the divine feminine, of the Shekinah, of the Holy Spirit. And once you begin feeling that golden light flooding your energy field, I want you to call in the Pleiades with me and call in the Pleiadian frequencies of infinite light and creation. And envision an icy blue ray coming into the crown. Long deep breathing, opening ourselves to receive. as you can feel, these are very beautiful frequencies to work with. So I encourage you to come into your heart, come into alignment, and allow yourself to receive the higher frequencies that are coming in from the Pleiades at this time. If you enjoyed this, like, share, subscribe, comment below. Let me know